Have you done your mathematics tutorial chapter 3 homework?
I still didn't manage to answer all of the question because there's some question I can't answer by myself.
It's okay, I can help you after this because this chapter is kind of easy for me.
Yeah, let's start.
Let's go. Hi guys, what did you guys doing?
We are finishing our tutorial math chapter 3.
I see. How about you, Daniel?
Oh, I just scrolling Instagram and I just saw a charity event. I think I would like to join the charity event. Would you like to join me? Is it the event is good?
I think that's a good event, but I also don't have invited.
Do you have any suggestion?
How about we send it?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's very good.
Since it's Ramadan's month, I think this having a high demand. So, if we sell this, how much revenue that we will get? We know that to find marginal revenue, we need to differentiate revenue functions, and if we want to find revenue function, we need to integrate marginal revenue. So, to find the revenue function, we need to integrate marginal revenue of 8 minus 6x minus 2x squared. And we will get integrate 8 minus 6x minus 2x squared dx. Next, it will become 8x minus 6 over 2x squared minus 2 over 3x cubed. And we will get the revenue functions equal to 8x minus 3x squared minus 2 over 3x cubed. Luckily, I remembered that Madam had taught me how to find revenue functions. Right now, the total cost of this is 200 ringgit with the quantity of 20 box of this. So, let's find the total cost function.
We know that to find marginal cost, we need to differentiate cost fs, and if we want to find cost fs, we need to integrate marginal cost. So to find the cost fs, we need to integrate marginal cost equal to 10. It is also known that the total cost equals to 200 ringgit and s equals to 20. So we need to integrate 10 ds and it will become 10s plus c. When we substitute s with 20, the k will become 0, so the total cost fs will become 10s.
So the customer willing to pay more than the normal price. So the normal price for the box of date is RM8 ringgit. So let's find the consumer surplus. Consumer surplus is defined as the difference between the price a consumer pays for an item and the price he would be willing to pay rather than do without it. So let's determine the consumer surplus at the price level of RM8 ringgit, which is demand is equals to 20 minus 0.5x. So to find the y-intercept, as x equals to 0, so we will get y-intercept equals to 20. Then substitute the y0 equals to 8 into the demand equation and we will get x equals to 24. Now let's substitute all the information into the consumer surplus formula and it will become integrate 0 to 24, 20 minus 0.5x dx minus 24 times x, and it will become 20x minus 0.5 over 2x squared, 0 to 24 minus 192, and it will become RM 144 ringgit. I have been applied the integration in my daily life.
We have sales and reward of dates, so we can find the producer surplus.
Producer surplus is defined as the difference between how much a person would be willing to accept for a given quantity of a good versus how much they can receive by selling the good at the market price. So, let's determine the producer surplus at the quantity of 20 if the surplus function equal to 10 plus x. First, to find y, let x equal to 20, so we will get y equal to 30. Now, let's substitute all information into producer surplus formula and it will become 20 times 30 minus integrate 0 to 20x plus 10 dx, and we will get the producer surplus equal to 600 minus 400, which is equal to 200 ringgit.
I'm glad that I know this knowledge because I have studied the application of integration in chapter 2.
If the demand function is equal to 32x minus 4x minus x squared and the supply function is equal to 2x plus 5, we can find the market equilibrium point. So let's find the market equilibrium point. To find the market equilibrium point, MEP demand function is equal to supply function. So to find the MEP, let 32 minus 4x minus x squared equal to 2x plus 5, and we will get x squared plus 6x minus 27 equal to 0. Factorize the equation and it will become x minus 3 times x plus 9. So let's substitute x equal to 3 to the supply function equation, which is 2 times 3 plus 5 equal to 11. So the MET is 3, 11. To sketch the function, we need to find x-intercept and y-intercept of each demand and supply function. By that, we can see the graph as stated.
I know that I've been applied application of integration in my daily life.
Let's conclude that we will facilitate to gain money to join the charity. Did you guys agree with me?
Yes.
That's a good idea.